I'm super excited and just pumped to talk about our brand new product, creatine. It's one of my most favorite supplements, and it's one of the most effective supplements in the world. If you want to build muscle, if you want to gain strength, or maybe you just want to perform better, creatine can definitely help you. In fact, it is one of the most powerful supplements for adding muscle mass. What is creatine and how does it work? Creatine is a substance that is found naturally in muscle cells. It helps your muscle produce energy during heavy lifting or high intensity exercise. When you supplement, you increase your stores of phosphocreatine. This is a form of stored energy in the cells, as it helps your body produce more of a high energy molecule called ATP. And obviously, if your body has more ATP, meaning more energy, you can perform better. Sometimes you hear creatine is unsafe, but in fact, it is one of the world's most tested supplements and has an outstanding safety profile. And it's super simple to use. You just have to add 1 rounded teaspoon to a glass of water and consume it shortly before or after your workout. So if you are an athlete or just someone who wants to build muscle, gain strength, or just perform better, you should consider taking creatine. It's obviously 100% vegan, and I want to mention that our packaging is home compostable, so this product is 100% plastic free. Try it out, you will not regret it, and enjoy your training.